Do you want to know the secret foods that can help you burn fat? The path to a leaner you isn't paved with endless hours on the treadmill or extreme diets. Certain foods can help you burn fat more efficiently. This isn't about magical pills or instantaneous solutions. These foods are real, nutritious, and delicious, with essential nutrients and compounds that promote. They can be easily incorporated into your everyday meals. Isn't that fascinating? So we've prepared a list of 10 such superfoods. Stay tuned as we delve into the first of our 10 fat-burning powerhouses. First on our list is the humble avocado, a nutrient-packed miracle fruit. This creamy delight brims with health benefits thanks to its mix of healthy fats and dietary fiber. Surprisingly, it's the fat in avocados that helps in burning fat. It's monounsaturated fat, the good kind, which aids weight by curbing hunger. Additionally, fiber in avocados keeps you full, also promoting a healthy digestive system, crucial for weight management. These green gems are packed with essential vitamins and minerals too, that fuel your body and keep you energized. So don't underestimate the power of this green fruit in your journey to a healthier you. Next up is green tea, more than just a comforting drink. With its origins in ancient China, it's a potent weapon against fat. Green tea is rich in antioxidants including epigallocatechin galat or EGCG, which boosts metabolism by breaking down fat cells for energy use. It also contains caffeine, aiding fat burning through enhanced exercise performance. Imagine, with each sip you're not just enjoying a soothing ritual, you're initiating a natural fat-burning process. So it might be time to switch your regular cup of joe for some green tea. Third on our list are eggs, a breakfast staple that's more than just a protein source. Eggs are nutritional powerhouses, packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats. They aid in fat burning and muscle building by reducing appetite and increasing metabolism. The healthy fats keep you satiated, reducing overeating chances. Plus they contain all vital amino acids, promoting muscle growth and recovery after workouts. It's a versatile, nutritious food supporting your fitness goals. Breakfast might just become your favorite meal of the day. Fourth on our list are chili peppers, a fiery complement to your meals with a fat-burning effect. Wondering how this spicy food aids in weight loss? The secret ingredient is capsaicin. Found in chilies, it's known to enhance your metabolism, hence, accelerating the fat-burning process. It's like heating your internal furnace. Moreover, capsaicin curbs your appetite, discouraging snacking. Essentially, it aids in dietary management. So as your taste buds experience the spicy sensation, your fat cells feel the heat more intensely. A little heat in your meals could mean a lot of heat in your fat-burning processes. Next on our list are berries, packed with antioxidants. Whether they're blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, or blackberries, these fruits are great for a fat-burning diet. They're low in calories and high in fiber, keeping you full without adding to your waistline. The antioxidants in berries reduce inflammation, linked to weight gain and obesity. These also boost your metabolism, helping burn off fat efficiently. Berries are tasty and versatile. You can include them in your oatmeal, salads, or enjoy as guilt-free dessert. Don't forget to add these colorful fruits to your meals. With berries in your diet, burning fat could be a whole lot sweeter. Next up are whole grains, a staple in many healthy diets, and a must-have for anyone looking to shed those extra pounds. Whole grains aren't just carbs, they're packed with fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied. This can curb cravings and prevent unhealthy snacking. Furthermore, they help regulate your blood sugar levels to avoid overeating. Whole grains boring? Not at all, they're very versatile. You can enjoy oatmeal for breakfast, quinoa salad for lunch, or brown rice for dinner. Swapping refined grains for whole grains could lead to positive changes, so consider using whole grains in your next meal. With their help, you could be well on your way to a slimmer, healthier you. Next on our list are nuts, a satisfying snack that's not just tasty but also highly nutritious. Despite their size, these morsels are loaded with beneficial fats, protein, and fiber. Not only excellent for weight loss, but nuts also help in controlling hunger due to their high fiber and protein content. Their versatility allows them to be a delightful addition to any dish, be it your breakfast oatmeal or evening salad. Nuts can keep you feeling satiated for hours, leading you away from unhealthy snacking. So don't forget to add a handful of nuts to your diet. They could be just the crunchy secret you need to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Next up is yogurt, a creamy and delicious source of protein. It's not just simple, it's a superstar for weight loss. Packing protein, it keeps you full and curbs overeating. It's filled with probiotics, powerfully improving gut health and metabolism, supporting you in burning extra calories and fat. Its versatility lets it blend into your diet easily. Enjoy it with berries for breakfast, in post-workout smoothies, or as a healthy replacement for mayonnaise in recipes. So, consider adding some yogurt to your next meal. It might just be the secret to your weight loss success. Continuing our journey, let's take a look at lean meats, a high-protein food that's not just for bodybuilders. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, and red meat are rich in protein, a vital nutrient for weight loss. Protein's digestion burns more energy than fats and carbs, increasing your metabolism and burning more. It also keeps you feeling full, reducing overeating. Lean meat's versatility allows for numerous meal options, from grilled chicken to lean steak. So, why not make lean meats a regular part of your diet? They might just be the protein-packed secret to your weight loss success. So there you have it. Foods that can help you burn fat and live a healthier life. Avocados, green tea, eggs, berries, whole grains, nuts, yogurt, lean meats, and fatty fish are your allies in weight loss. Each is packed with nutrients like healthy fats, fiber, protein, and antioxidants to aid in your journey. The benefits range from controlling hunger to boosting metabolism and even lowering heart disease risk. These are all fantastic options to incorporate into your daily diet. Remember, the secret to burning fat is not just in the gym, but also on your plate. Thank you for watching. So there you have it, a quick rundown of foods that can help you burn fat and live a healthier life. We've got avocados, packed with healthy fats and fiber, aiding weight loss. Green tea, loaded with metabolism-boosting antioxidants. Eggs, for their protein-rich benefits, controlling hunger. Chili peppers, with their capsaicin, enhance metabolism. We also covered berries, whole grains, nuts, yogurt, lean meats, and fatty fish, abundant in omega-3, reduces visceral fat. All these foods are fantastic options to incorporate into your daily diet. Remember, the secret fat is not just in the gym but also on your plate. Thank you for watching.